Yo, my name is Marcus Russell.
It's Alex.
Yo, and this the Marcus Russell Show. Yo, we come through all the headlines, all the newest news, all the scummiest and the funniest stuff that's out from both ABC, NBC, Fox News, MSNBC, wherever we can find the greatest or the funniest, filthiest news we can give you, YouTube. Today, Trumpito is finally suing Judge Merchant back for trying to indict him, really for trying to sentence him while he has diplomatic immunity. Let's roll some
He
footage.
got Alvin Bragg too for the
Oh, he's about to get
crazy.
everybody, y'all. Yo, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I need 100,000 subscribers. Keep this thing going for you.
Get right to it.
You know what I'm saying?
We have some breaking news into our newsroom. We've just now learned that President-elect Donald Trump is suing Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg and Judge Juan Marchand over his denial of the president-elect's immunity motions. I'm going to bring in ABC News senior reporter Catherine Faulders for more on this. Of course, this is happening ahead of Friday, in which he was set to be sentenced, right, on those 34 felony counts for falsifying business records. So is all of this tied together here, Catherine?
Yeah, Kana, it's absolutely all tied together. And what you're seeing here from Donald Trump's legal team is just another tactic, of course, to delay his sentencing scheduled for Friday even further. They're picking apart everything, frankly, that Judge Merchant has done and challenging him and now suing him on the grounds, obviously, of saying that Merchant exceeded his jurisdiction when he denied Trump's claim of presidential immunity last week. Of course, this comes as they're asking the judge to halt that sentencing scheduled for Friday. The DA, for his part, responded to that and said that they believe that the sentencing should go forward. The judge obviously has said he intends to have that sentencing and that hearing for Friday. So we'll see if this, what they're doing tonight at least, this lawsuit against Alvin Bragg and the judge overseeing this, Juan Marchand, if this actually works at all in terms of furthering their delay. Now, in terms of next steps here, we do know that this full lawsuit that they filed will come out tomorrow morning, and there are oral arguments scheduled for tomorrow. So we will see his lawyers at least argue this in court in New York tomorrow morning, Kana.
ABC be so wishing that Trump loses.
Yeah.
But he has like 148 sites from other cases where diplomatic immunity extends from beyond the inauguration. So
Exactly.
as soon as he was elected, whatever he said, court is over it. I'm immune from it. And they cited several other cases. It's more than just a thing that they're doing. They're really about to come back and get you.
And
It's
karma
not,
is on his way for real.
they really
It's like
about
the
to come
Predator
back.
movie, man. You know, the hunters, they become the
Oh.
hunted. You know? I'm telling you, man, this is about to get real crazy because they try to use the lawfare, you know.
Using that law first. So Muchin already said he would. Well, the case carries 4 years.
Okay.
So this is for when they said that the money that he paid to Stormy Daniels, he covered it up somehow in some paperwork.
Yeah.
So that's what they want to give him 4 years for. But Judge Muchin said that he would give him suspend 4 years and
Mhm.
just release him on his own grounds. But still, that's a blemish not just on our 47 president, but on all of America.
Exactly.
Muchin
This is a shame cat and
making us
mouse
all
game.
look stupid. That's why he gonna come back and bite everybody.
Exactly. Let's keep going, man.
For real.
Make sure
And
you
so,
guys
Catherine,
hit that
it's our understanding,
subscribe
right,
button.
that
That
the
part.
Judge Marchand.
Tomorrow, so we will see his lawyers at least argue this in court in New York tomorrow morning, Kana.
And so, Catherine, it's our understanding, right, that the judge, Judge Marchand, said that he would sentence Trump to this unconditional discharge, sort of, as Aaron Katersky put it, an effective blemish on his record. So what are the efforts here in terms of, on Trump's part, to try to delay that, to delay the sentencing again of an unconditional discharge? And how does Alvin Bragg fall into all of this now?
Yeah, look, on the one hand, in terms of that unconditional discharge
He could've called it
sentencing
off.
that he's indicated, the Trump legal team behind the scenes would think that that's a victory. That's great for them, right? There was prison time on the table here. Now, we never thought it would get to that, but that is what the type of sentence they were looking at. Now, on the other hand, the reason that they are asking for a delay and now suing is because they don't want their client, Donald Trump, of course, will be the next president on January 20th, to then be a convicted felon. His record will always reflect that he's a convicted felon if he is, of course, sentenced just 10 days before the inauguration. So like many of Donald Trump's legal tactics, delay, 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 that is what they're trying to do here. They're seeing if they can push that sentencing at least until the inauguration. I'm not sure that this has merit or that it will stand, but the reality is that they will be able to present their arguments on why they're suing Alvin Bragg and Marshawn in court tomorrow morning in New York. We could have some more clarity on all of this and whether this will happen on Friday, which at this point it will, but we should have more clarity on that tomorrow during those arguments.
Well, from the date of this video being released, it's only 13 more days, man, but that they could play with Trump. That this is even a question, right?
Man, this is so wild. And then, you know, that's why I like getting our news sometimes from ABC because, like, I like to show our audience how they talk about our 47th president. They just already just assuming that he's playing a game or just assuming it. No, he literally have a whole lot of case studies to if you know that's what these are cases where what he's trying to say went through and they was found right on their side, and you
Exactly.
use those case studies in appeal, they're bringing them up for a lawsuit. Now let's just say that I sue you, and then I have the the Supreme Court that I've appointed 4 of the Supreme Court justices, and this goes past you to the Supreme Court. What you think that they're going to do to you?
Exactly.
It's fun to stay at the YBC. Fun to- Trumpito about to beat y'all up, man.
Yeah, I don't think they could be any more biased, man. This is crazy. You see what they do to a Republican, man. This is how hard it is. Let's keep going, man. Let's end this video out.
That's so interesting. So again, as we continue to look forward to Friday, I'm also curious about, again, this idea here that Judge Juan Marchand doesn't have the authority to go forward with this sentencing, again, because of this immunity claim that President-elect Donald Trump is making. It sounds like that's something that District Attorney Alvin Bragg is flat out rejecting. And again, how does that immunity play into this argument, Catherine?
Yeah, exactly. It is something that Alvin Bragg is flat out rejecting. And this, of course, is a ruling from the judge. And he obviously ruled the way he did as it relates to presidential immunity. They're trying to tie this together with the Supreme Court's presidential immunity argument, which are entirely
on this weirdo, man. He looked like, no, look at him, man. I'm saying he looked like somebody like,
Oh,
man, I'm gonna make girls come with us.
yeah. That's what I'm saying, man.
Yeah, I'm not leaving nobody. You know what I'm saying? But no, they don't understand that you people, you judges, you district attorneys, y'all supposed to enforce the law. So
Exactly.
now what's happening when the people who are supposed to enforce the law are now
Abusing
lawless?
it.
Yeah, abusing the
Yeah,
law.
at this
What's that
point.
say? This is a bad look for us. Even if you really felt in your heart that he was guilty of this hush money, you're embarrassing us. Oh, yo.
That's definitely
That's
true.
why he gonna bite you in the butt.
Definitely true.
For real.
Man, in this video out, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We really want to know what you think in the comments,
Come on.
man. Don't forget to hit
Hit that subscribe.
button.
Peace.
We out.